Looking to elevate your space with calm beauty and sound? This indoor lotus leaf fountain is your new favorite addition to any United States home decor setup. Designed with 3 golden tiers, flowing water, candle-style LED lighting, and natural river rocks, it brings serenity to your table, desk, or nightstand. The soft sounds of water falling, the warm glow reflecting off the leaves, it's like a spa in miniature form. Setup is simple. Plug in, place your stones, and let the water do the rest. Perfect for your bedroom, office, living room, or as a unique USA gift for someone who loves elegant ambiance. Let this fountain turn ordinary spaces into calming sanctuaries. Bring the peace of nature indoors with this stunning piece of United States home decor.